Hello and welcome back to Campus Connect. Another show is time in Noida. This time what we're discussing is ideology or the lack of it in these crucial elections, watershed elections people call them. Parties who are in the fray, do they have an ideology? Are they sticking to an ideology? Before I introduce my guests, please give a round of applause for yourselves. Joining us today is Atishi Marlena from the Aam Aadmi Party. Please give her a big hand. Are they sticking to an ideology? Before I introduce my guests, please give a round of applause for yourselves. Joining us today is Atishi Marlena from the Aam Aadmi Party. Please give her a big hand. Right next to her is Chandan Yadav from the Congress Party. Please give him a huge round of applause. Mr. Hardeep Puri, former diplomat, now member of the BJP. Please, completing the panel will be Professor Madhav Nalpat, consulting editor, NewsX and Sunday Guardian. Please welcome him as well. We start with Atishi Marlena, if we could. Atishi Marlena, you're the latest entrant in these elections. The biggest criticism for your party is that apart from the anti-graft, anti-corruption slogan, you don't really have an ideology. Do you really need one? And do you connect enough on an anti-graft platform?
I think our ideology is not just a question of anti-corruption. I think our ideology is of honesty. Our ideology is standing against criminalization of politics. Our ideology is that we will not let a corrupt politician enter parliament. Our ideology is that we will not let a communal politician enter parliament. And what you can see is that we are the only ones who are sticking by this ideology. We are the only ones who have stuck by this even earlier. Before the Delhi election, 6 days before the elections took place, we were the one who removed a possibly winning candidate from the fray because we discovered that he had a criminal case against him. It was not illegal.
Recent cases come to light. Your own MPs, leaders are saying that so-and-so's brother is asking for 7 lakhs. Is that not charges of corruption that could mar your chances and what you're saying right now?
No, absolutely. And which is why, if you see, I think we are the only party who's put it up on our website that we are actually looking for feedback on our candidates. And we've got an entire team of people going through the feedback that is coming in, going through any charges that are coming in. And we have said all along that if any candidates are found with serious criminal charges, even a day before the election, we will remove them. But more than that, I think the bigger question is that why is it that no other political party is willing to take the fight to serious corrupt leaders? Why is it that all political parties give a walkover to all senior leaders?
So the Aam Aadmi Party wants to be the accuser, they want to be the judge, they want to be the jury, and then they want to be the executioner. The Aam Aadmi Party it takes it very easy. They make allegations against all manner of people, and then they cannot back it up. Sheila Dikshit was supposed to be running the most corrupt government in Delhi, CWG scam. They were 49 days in power in Delhi. What did they do? They just ended up as the B team of the Congress.
So all talk, no
play. This is all empty talk. It's all empty talk. All empty talk. It's all empty talk. The Aam Aadmi Party has disgraced itself by using the mob as an instrument for negotiation. The Chief Minister sat in a dharna outside Rail Bhavan. They barricaded the city. 36 hours the city came to a grinding halt. They attacked the BJP headquarters. They ransacked Churchgate station. This is not a political party. Okay, this is a political startup.
To the test, Mr. Puri. Chandan Yadav come in here right now. Chandan Yadav is from the Congress Party. Rahul Gandhi, your leader, says this election is about ideology. It's about communalism versus secularism. Convince this young audience that they should be thinking along those lines when they vote this time.
22 major languages, 1,632 minor languages and dialects, 6 major religion, 6,500 castes and subcastes, 29 major festivals, 29 states, 7 union territories, and only party, I repeat, only party which represents all this is Indian National Congress. And this is our ideology. We need to cherish our unity through diversity.
Narendra Modi is claiming. He's saying Anek Ram, Ek Bharat.
He's talking about one religion, one language, one nation. BJP is not playing an inclusive politics. BJP is playing a very divisive kind, communal and divisive kind of a politics. He was talking about Sheila Dikshit. All of you are staying near Delhi. I mean, each one of you will agree. Delhi has developed or not, tell me, in the last 15 years under Sheila Dikshit government. Tell me.
In the last 15 years, Sheila Dikshit did some good work. The Congress Party did some good work. I think, okay, one second. Let's take a poll. Let's take a poll. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And my friend from BJP was talking about Gujarat model. Let me counter him by facts.
I will give you the facts.
Compare Delhi as a state and Gujarat as a
Okay,
state.
well, facts. We'll talk about facts. We'll talk about
Gujarat,
facts.
Delhi government in each and every SDI is far ahead than Gujarat. Gujarat on the issue of gender, it's a 22nd. On the issue of literacy, it is 12. On the issue of investment, it is less than 5. I mean, it's on the 7th in the rank.
Okay,
so
Mr.
where
Yadav.
Gujarat stands
Come on,
on the issue of school dropouts, on the scale of
Okay,
development.
Chandan,
No,
we
the
agree.
entire
Let's talk about
See,
Gujarat. Talk about
let's
the
not
Congress
talk
Party.
about
Congress
rhetoric.
Party.
Let's talk
Ideology,
about
Congress
facts.
Party
I'll
and
take
ideology.
both ideology
And
and
I'll tell
facts
you.
to the audience. But before we do that, Professor Nalpat come in here as an independent expert. The BJP and the Congress in a tussle. We are trying to pull both of them down. Is ideology going to be a major factor in the 2014 election?
Well, I think our voters and I think this young group in front of me, they are becoming much more pragmatic and practical. They would like a much better life.
And more mature they are becoming.
And they're seeing for themselves, for example, if you look at India in 1960, you look at Japan, you look at South Korea, you look at so many other countries, almost every country, the people of those countries have now got a much better life than the people of India. So I think the ideology that these youngsters are looking for is basically a schema in which performance can be there and they can be guaranteed a better life.
So you're saying they don't want ideology, they want development, they want a better life.
I'm saying that philosophy is useless unless it is practical and translated in terms of better life.
Absolutely.
We have
Yeah,
heard
that's a
so
very
much
good
of
point.
philosophy.
Philosophy is completely useless. Let's ask them. Let's ask them. Let me go in.
How
Let me
can
jump
you
into
imagine
the
a political party without an ideology?
Okay, let's ask them. Let's ask them
What is
directly.
your
Yes,
ideology? Is it socialism?
Ideology is of
Is it
secularism,
capitalism? I think it's
nationalism,
crony
social
capitalism.
justice,
But that's
and
crony
Crony
capitalism
capitalism.
also,
G
sir.
and so
Crony
on.
capitalism
We'll
is
come to that. We'll come to that when I...
Ideologyless party will never believe.
Okay.
Political party always needs
Okay,
to have an
let's
ideology.
take this to the audience. Yes, Atishi first.
What is the BJP talking about corruption? Who has given Yediyurappa a ticket? Who is talking about communalism? BJP has given tickets to those people who have been involved in the Muzaffarnagar riots. Who are they to question dynastic politics? They have given tickets to the children of so many of their leaders. And Congress's corruption we all know about. Be it the 2G scam, be it the Commonwealth Games scam, be it the Colgate scam. This is absolutely an endless list. So I think what needs to be seen is that both Congress and the BJP are two sides of the same coin.
Okay.
And corruption is
Before I come
rampant
back,
in
one
both.
second. Before I come back, I want to come to you. Yes, my friend. What's your name? Please stand up.
चंदन यादव
बोलिए.
चंदन जी से मेरा सवाल है कि ये कम्युनलिज्म के नाम पे कब तक लोगों को डराकर वोट मांगते रहेंगे? आखिर डेवलपमेंट की बात कब करेंगे?
Okay. People agree. People agree. More questions. Any more questions? Who has more questions for? Yes, my friend. What's your name? Please stand up. Yes.
Hi, I'm Richa. I want to know that आम आदमी पार्टी हमेशा दंगों और सबके स्कैम्स गिनाती रहती है, कांग्रेस सबके स्कैम्स गिनाती रहती है, बीजेपी भी गिनाती है. वो अपनी आइडियोलॉजी पेश क्यों नहीं करते कि हम ऐसा करेंगे? वो यही सब क्यों गिनाते हैं हर बात पर?
आपको लगता है आइडियोलॉजी धर्म या रिलीजन या कास्ट के नाम पे होनी चाहिए?
वही यानी धर्म, कास्ट, रिलीजन, दंगे, अयोध्या वाले दंगे और मुजफ्फरनगर वाले दंगे, फिर स्कैम्स, इन सब पे क्यों आप लोग डिस्कस करते हैं? आप लोग खुल के क्यों नहीं बताते कि क्या आप चाहते हैं हमसे?
Okay, that's a good question. More questions in a bit. More questions. Think about it. Mr. Hardeep Puri.
in order to have... Can I...
Okay. Let's go to Mr. Hardeep Puri. Then you can answer that gentleman's question. Yes.
Well, my friends, an ideology does not have to have an ism attached to it. Ideology for us in the BJP is India first. Ideology for us is development. Ideology for us is to rid the country of the 10 years of mismanagement and incompetence and corruption. Now, my friend raised some issues about Gujarat.
See, Gujarat model is a lie.
Corroborate your statement.
Yeah, Gujarat model is a lie. And
You can
most of
repeat
us
it
might
like
have
Goebbels.
seen
You can
how
repeat
many
it
lies,
like
how many lies have been exposed regarding Modi. Recently, he said on WikiLeaks, Gujarat he's not the corrupt person.
He did
but
not
you
say on
find
WikiLeaks. WikiLeaks
exposed
quoted an
him.
American diplomat
WikiLeaks
to say
exposed
that
him.
he is an incorrupt.
Everyone,
WikiLeaks is not a man. WikiLeaks is a
WikiLeaks,
website.
everyone
And a
knows.
website
No,
is
Mr.
legal.
Puri, you're
Talking total nonsense. You don't even know that WikiLeaks is not a website. Come on.
You cannot. You see, the idea is
Go on saying like Goebbels, is a lie, and then you believe your own lie.
that's Hitler. That's Hitler minister. See, I'll tell you. First of all, we need to understand Gujarat history. Gujarat has always been a developed state than any other state, and it's not that BJP has made it. During Congress rule, I'll tell you, the facts which he was giving was more during Congress rule government. So Gujarat, Modi hasn't done anything. And you know, second point is, Gujarat
Party
model
line, sir.
cannot.
That's just your party line.
No, no,
We've been
and
hearing
second
that for a
thing.
very long time.
No,
That's a party line. Mr. Puri, one second.
No,
One
you
second.
please be
That's the
democrat.
party line. We've been hearing this for a very
Yeah,
long time.
we are hearing it, and it's not
See,
working. It's not
Athar,
even
you have
working.
to understand. You have to understand. I gave lot of examples. Human Development Index is one of the basic parameters of the development. Gender ratio, Gujarat is 22nd on the list of 29
Women are
states.
safe in Gujarat. They get raped in Delhi. There are no such cases there. The Muslims are safe in Gujarat,
Gujarat
not in
Muslims
Delhi.
are not
Oh, come
safe.
on, who say you ask the people, you go
Facts
there.
are there to believe.
Yeah, where do the rape cases take
Mr.
place?
Atishi,
Why is Delhi called the rape capital? Because you have been in charge of
not,
Delhi.
it's not,
Mr.
it's
Puri,
not.
one second.
You are wrong.
Atishi,
You are wrong.
the human
See,
development indicators and other claims by Mr. Modi, the BJP will never agree that they say they stick by it, and they say everyone who says no is wrong.
The question is, yes, development has happened in Gujarat, but for whom has that development happened? That is the question that needs to be asked. Gautam Adani used to own a company that was 4,000 crores when Modi's government started. Gautam Adani's company is 50,000 crores today. Land has been acquired from farmers. Farmers have been committing suicide. Who is the petroleum minister? Who is the energy minister? Who has the mining departments? A son-in-law of the Ambani family. So let us not forget that figures, sir, please let me complete. Now you have had your say.
We'll come back to you, sir. We'll come back.
In Gujarat, the son-in-law of the Ambani family has all these ministries. So yes, statistics are right, growth has happened. The question is, growth has happened for whom? And the story is the same across the whole country. Be it in terms of crony capitalism, be it in terms of corruption. Let us ask for Gujarat, why is it that the CAG has said that there is a scam of 26,000 crores in the 10 years of Modi's rule? And when that CAG report was tabled, the assembly, the opposition was thrown out and the assembly was not allowed to meet for the whole year. Is that what one calls a democracy? I think a lot of serious questions need to be asked about the Congress, about the BJP. And yes, you can say to us that are we just asking questions? What are we going to do? And I will repeat that question again, that for us, removing corruption is extremely important because I feel that the people of India have the strength to find
But
solutions.
how, Atishi? How? The Aam Aadmi Party had a 49-day government in Delhi.
Athar,
Your
I will
criticism is you left everything. You had a brilliant opportunity, but you couldn't do it.
Actually, Athar, I will actually request you to let us see what the government actually did in 49 days.
They kept changing the goalposts all the time.
That's a fair criticism. You
Actually-
kept changing the goalpost.
No, Athar, if you see what the government did in terms of the fact, what intervention we made in schools, what intervention we made in hospitals, we set up an anti-corruption helpline. You actually go out and ask an
And then
ordinary
your own
person.
MLA asked for
You
7 lakhs.
ask your own person, sir, please don't go by unsubstantiated claims. I expect better than
What about
that. from you."
Somnath Bharti? What about him? Is he
So
still
first of all,
is he still a member?
sir,
Is he
let us
still a-
not-
this thing? What about all those other guys who were caught with their hands in the till?
Okay, answer
Excuse
that.
me, sir,
Answer
I
that.
would expect more civilized behavior from someone of your stature, but
Please
if you
go
can't
ahead.
have that, then I'm extremely
Look who's
sorry.
talking about civilized people
Please,
who
please, Mr.
ransack the
Puri,
church
Mr.
gate
Puri,
station,
you've
not talking
already
about
spoken.
civilized
Let
behavior.
Atishi respond. We go to the audience after this and Mr. Nalpat.
And yes, for you ask an ordinary person on the street, they will actually tell you how much corruption reduced. And yes, we stand by the fact that corruption is one of the major issues, and a lot of the governance issues in Delhi could not have been resolved without passing an anti-graft legislation. We could have stayed in government, yes, we could have stayed. But if we could not have stayed in government and been an effective government without removing corruption, we decided it was better to leave the government and actually go back to the people and ask for another mandate.
Can AAP really pose a threat to BJP and Congress on the national level? That's the big question, really. Do you have enough national support?
We do have support in some parts of the country, and I accept the fact that yes, we are a new party. But even if we are here just to ask questions at the national level, that is extremely important, because today no one is asking questions. Our friend from the Congress party is now saying things about Gujarat, but why is it for all these 10 years, no one has been discussing Gujarat, no one has
let's
been
take
talking
questions
about
from the
farmer
audience. Let's
suicide.
take questions. One
So,
second.
let us, I think the role of the Aam Aadmi Party,
I'll come to you.
the role of the Aam Aadmi Party is also to make young people like you to start thinking, to actually get into politics, to come out
And
to
let's
the street
find
and
out
start
what the young
changing
people are
things.
thinking. Let me take a voice vote. I'll come back to
Yeah,
all
please.
of you. Ek simple sawal. One simple question. My friend right here, right now said that every party does the same thing. They embrace tainted leaders, tainted netas at the time of elections. Do we here as an audience, as the Young Brigade of India, agree that we do not need people who are tainted, indicted or accused even of serious crimes not to be in our party? People who agree with me will say yes.
Yes,
We do not want tainted netas. Yes.
yes.
We do not want corrupt netas. Yes. Doesn't matter what political party. Yes.
Correct.
All right, Professor Nalpat, I'll come to you right
please.
now.
I need to answer.
Okay,
this
answer
question.
that. Then I go to Professor.
See, corruption is an issue. There is no doubt about it. Now, there are two aspects. Yes, corruption took place, and at the same time, our government took action. You also think
By giving Mr. Bansal the seat in Chandigarh
please
again.
be Democrat, please
That's
be
the same
Democrat.
cases
Your
Yadurappa.
party
He
haven't
never
taught you
charged-
to be
Bansal
Democrat.
never proved that he was.
See, the problem is, let us
Give
speak.
the
You'll
same
get a
explanation.
chance. You'll get a chance. Just hold on. You have patience.
Yes, go ahead,
Don't
sir.
be impatient
Chandan,
like
go
Modi. See,
Thank you for equating me with
See,
him. Thank you for equating me.
see what I'm trying to say is corruption is an issue. Now our party has taken a stand, taken an action. Our leaders chance. You'll get a chance. Just hold on. You have patience.
Yes, go ahead,
Don't
sir.
be impatient
Chandan,
like
go
Modi. See,
Thank you for equating me with
See,
him. Thank you for
see,
equating me.
See, what I'm trying to say is corruption is an issue. Now our party has taken a stand, taken an action. Our leaders has sent to jail. Now the second thing, we are the one who passed the Jan Lokpal bill, to which Anna and Kiran Bedi, both of them, they agreed. Now the 6 bills to fight corruptions are pending in the parliament. Were pending in the parliament. And you ask BJP why they did not support it. They are only
Why is 10
raising
years?
issues.
Why on the last day?
There are Yadurappas, Bellari brothers,
of course.
Nitin Gadkari. They
Oh,
have
yes, of
given a
course.
clean chit to them.
Yes.
There are 3 cabinet ministers in Gujarat against whom corruption charges are there. You are not going to ask them? Congress party is the only party which has taken action against corruption.
Because it is
Suresh
totally corrupt.
Gandhi has
It is
gone to
totally
jail.
corrupt, yeah.
You know,
It is
we are
totally
the
corrupt,
party
yeah.
who's taking corruption head on. We have passed the right to information
Professor
bill,
Nalpat,
which is
Professor
going to check the corruption.
Professor
So you
Nalpat.
have to see which party is firm against corruption.
Professor
Who's
Nalpat,
taking action
okay,
against
Chandan,
corruption.
You made your point, fair point. Professor Nalpat, I'll come to you, I'll come to you also. Professor Nalpat hasn't spoken. Do you agree that people are very clear about corruption? Taint is a big no-no, doesn't matter which political party it is.
Who has been in power for the
let him
last
answer,
10
let him
years? Who
answer,
has been in
Mr.
power for the last
Mr.
10 years?
Puri, let him
When the
answer,
scams
please.
took place?
I must confess, I'm an ordinary citizen. I'm not a leader of a great political party like my 3 friends to the left. As an ordinary citizen, I'm seeing so many laws get passed and no effect. You have a major law against rape, and unfortunately this kind of violence against women has become worse. You've got so many laws in India for the last 50 years against corruption. Is it anybody's case that corruption become lower because the laws?
He passes his
What
6 bills.
what I want to see as a citizen is action. I'm really disappointed in one thing. I hear a lot of criticism and abuse. I don't see something practical. What are you going to do to stop corruption in a more practical way than passing laws which nobody follows and nobody implements? What are you going to do to make sure that the functioning of your party and your people is better than it's been in the past? So quite frankly, as a citizen, I'm a little fed up of all this negative talk. I want to see some positive action, number one. Number two, about the Aam Aadmi Party, I mean, frankly, I'm a little disappointed. Arvind Kejriwal was Chief Minister of Delhi for 49 days. He could have opened all the files of Delhi, including all the files of all the corruption scams, to the public. I believe in transparency. I believe in open government. Nobody has followed open government in India for the last 60 years. I was expecting the Kejriwal government to follow it. Unfortunately, did not do
You
so.
are all slightly disappointed with Arvind Kejriwal-led AAP government. Let's take a voice vote. Who was disappointed when the Aam Aadmi Party government, formed a government and then left? Who was disappointed? People who were disappointed, yes? Yes, all of us were disappointed. We'll take one more question from the audience before I go for closing statements. You've already spoken, my friend. Who else wants to speak? People at the back, yes, you want to speak. What's your name?
Please stand up.
सर माय नेम इज़ पूजा माय क्वेश्चन इज़ फ्रॉम यू कांग्रेस सर मैं कल की ही बात बोलना चाहूँगी किरण चौधरी जो कि पब्लिक हेल्थ मिनिस्टर है हरियाणा से जब वो कल गई थी चुनाव लड़ने के लिए सो सम आइडेंटिफाइड मिसक्रेंट्स पेल्टेड स्टोन ओवर हर सो डिड यू रियली थिंक दैट स्टिल पीपल हैव होप फ्रॉम यू
Do you think the Congress has chances because she was attacked? The Congress party's chances in the elections. Very quickly, one-line answer.
Violence has no place in democracy. Let's all join together on this democracy days. We should all stand for non-violence.
But is
You
there,
can solve
is
all
there an
the
anti-Congress
problems.
wave in
Oh,
the country,
we
sir?
can solve all the
Your
problems.
candidates are being attacked.
No, hold on.
tsunami hai yaar.
Hold on, Athar. Let me say it's a serious issue. See,
एक second.
unlike
This gentleman.
No. On the day of when the election commission announced the polling days, all of you might have seen what's happened outside the BJP gate and what happened in Gujarat. Both Aam Aadmi Party and BJP shown their true colors. And you might have seen when communalists and anarchists meet, and then you see that kind of a day.
कांग्रेस के पास कलर्स बचे ही नहीं है अब।
Pardon?
कांग्रेस के पास कलर्स बचे ही नहीं अब कि वो दिखा सके हमें कि क्या है वो।
आप पिछले 10 साल में सरकार ने राइट बेस्ड लेजिस्लेशन किया, आपको शिक्षा का अधिकार दिया, रोजगार का अधिकार दिया, खाद्य का अधिकार दिया, जंगल का अधिकार दिया, और आप तमाम ऐसे अधिकार दिए हैं। आप बेरोजगारी
बेरोजगारी हुई।
I only have 2 minutes left, so please bear with me. Let's take some more questions. Yes, what's your name?
Sir, this is Kajal Lone. I am from J&K. Sir, my question is, sub-states की बात हो रही है. Like, you are only talking about Delhi and Gujarat.
Yeah.
What about other states? Like, I am from Kashmir. What I'll get after voting you?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Gujarat.
More questions. We'll take more questions. We'll take more questions. Ranjan, one second, please. Let's take a couple of questions. I only have 2 minutes. My friend, you had a very interesting thing to say, but keep it short. I don't have much time.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन आतिशी जी से है कि उन्हें किस बेस पे वोट दिया जाए। जब उन्हें वोट देकर गवर्नमेंट बनाने दिया जाता है, उसके बाद उनका एक बिल पास नहीं होता है, तो वो हमें इलेक्शन में घसीट देते हैं।
Okay, that's a fair question. किस बेस पे? Okay, one more question we'll take. You already spoken. Who else? Yes, my friend. That's the last question I'm going to take. Yes, what's your name?
Sir, as we have been talking about the corruption and scams and imposing such kind of allegations on each other parties. So my question goes towards the Indian security. My question goes to you, Sir Chandan sir. How many times other countries like China and Pakistan, their incursion has taken place? What was your counter attack towards them? Why you were unable to give the response towards them?
Foreign policy is also a concern for these people. I have a minute left on the show. I'll go to closing statements, starting from Professor Nalpat. Please keep it short, sir. At the end of the day, is ideology going to matter, and are people going to vote for a particular person heading a party, or an ideology, or a gamut of issues?
Sir, I'd just like to say that unfortunately every party speaks of ideology, but their performance has been lacking, which makes me believe that this is only lip service to ideology, because the commitment has got to be to performance. It is a fact. You know, my friend was talking about China. In 1950, China was half the economic size of India. Today it is 5 times the economic size of India. That is the extent of our failure. It's not that we have got this much more. The others in Asia have got so much more. So we need a government that makes us grow faster, grow more honestly, grow more transparently. I am disappointed to see party after party after party, when they come to power, they forget their big preaching, and then they behave exactly like others are behaving.
Okay, it's time to teach all corrupt politicians a lesson, yes or no? Yes. All right, starting from Atishi Marlina, ending at Mr. Hardeep Puri, closing statements. Why should these people vote for the Aam Aadmi Party led by Arvind Kejriwal? Give me 3 biggest reasons.
I think 3 reasons why someone should vote for Aam Aadmi Party, because we stand against corruption, we stand against criminalization, and we stand against communalism. And yes, I accept we may have made mistakes, and I accept the fact that we may make mistakes in the future. But unlike any of the other established political parties, we are here with an honest intent, and we are here to change the system. We have seen all political parties, they're all corrupt. They all follow the same vote bank politics. They all follow the same crony capitalism. They are all in the pockets of the same industrialists.
Okay.
There is no difference between any other party.
Who thinks AAP started with good intentions but lost their way? Hands. Almost, well, let's do a voice vote. AAP's intentions were good, but they lost their way. People who agree will say yes? Yes! Pretty much everyone.
I think we should also ask this question, that how many people still trust Aam Aadmi Party's intentions?
Do you still trust the Aam Aadmi Party can do anything at the national level? No. Well, that's the answer for you. Perhaps they need more work. Congress, why should Rahul Gandhi be voted for? Why should they vote for the Congress led by Rahul Gandhi? Give me 3 reasons.
Vote for Indian National Congress is the vote for idea of India. Vote for Congress Party is unity through diversity. Vote for Congress Party is economic growth with communal harmony. Vote for Congress is economic growth with social justice. Vote for Congress is vote for future of yours and future of your children. And vote for Congress is for security, stability, and strength and integrity of this country. And please remember the unity and integrity of the country is the foremost. Development is an issue. Development can be a communal one. Like in Gujarat, what is happening is they have been talking about Gujarat. They have a very indecisive, communal and divisive leaders in their hands.
Okay, I
Who's
asked for
here,
three reasons, sir.
and Congress party, Congress and the people of this country has reposed faith in the Congress party for a long, and with full humility.
Maybe not for long
and,
now.
and with
Maybe
full
not for
humility,
long now. Okay,
and with
okay.
full humility we say,
Okay,
we are
okay,
here
okay.
to stay,
Does
and we
Rahul
are here
Gandhi-
to seek the development of each and every section of the society, from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari to Gujarat to Arunachal.
All right,
And
okay,
Congress
okay.
party is the only
All right,
party
okay,
which
okay,
has
but-
presence in
but
each and
one
every
second,
nook and
my
corner
friend.
of
Does
this
Rahul
country.
Gandhi stand a chance in challenging? See, it's a troika of people at the national level who believes that out of Arvind Kejriwal, Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi, who stands the best shot? I'm not saying who will be better, who has the best shot. People who say Kejriwal, raise their hands. Nobody, not one person. Rahul Gandhi, let's talk about him. Couple of people, I think 6-7 people, who says Narendra Modi has a better shot.
Come on.
Mr. Hardeep.
Yeah, now
I don't think you need to convince
I
this
know I
audience.
don't need to convince them, but I owe it to them.
You need to
You know,
convince
no,
himself.
please, no, I'm very
Yeah,
much
30
convinced.
seconds,
That's
sir,
why I
30
joined the
seconds. Mr.
BJP.
Puri, 30 seconds only.
2020, India will have the youngest, it'll be the youngest country in the world. 64% of our population will be a working population. We need you. Last 10 years, we've had a thoroughly corrupt, inefficient and incompetent government in Delhi. We need change. We need change so that the economy can again grow at 7-8%, that we can look after national security, that the Chinese don't come and do incursions in our territory, and the Pakistanis do not behead soldiers. And
Remember
we turned
Kargil
around,
to
and
place,
we turned it
Pakistan
around. We turned it around. I think my friend has lost the debate thoroughly. Thank you all very much.
Congress party has
and
won
all
the
vote for
election.
Modi. Vote for Modi.
Let's
Thank
close.
you.
Let's close with Mr. Okay, one second. I'll come to you if I can, but Professor Nalpal, wrap
They
this up
will
for
do
us.
it again, so
Wrap
please
this up for us.
remember.
We have no more time.
I'd like to say that with social media, with the growth of education, our population is becoming more enlightened, more aware, more alert and more demanding. That is a very healthy sign for democracy. Tomorrow, if our leaders do not deliver, they'll be voted out. For the last 60 years, they've consistently not delivered and they keep getting voted back in. That has to change.
All right. Okay, because we're running short of time, we started with the audience. We'll end with the audience before I close the show. One line, sir. I thought, yes, from you as well. Very, very short.
सर बीजेपी अभी मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने देख रही है 16 मई की उन्हें के बाद उनकी नींद टूटेगी
आप कैसे कह सकते हैं?
बिकॉज वोटर जो है सोशल मीडिया पे वोट नहीं करते वो पोलिंग बूथ पे वोट
I think
करते
that's a fair point. Social media does not win you elections. One last point. We're closing the show after this.
सर कांग्रेस पार्टी को एक चीज एलिमिनेट करनी पड़ेगी इनके हर वर्ड में कॉम्युनल वर्ड आती है ये ट्राई करते हैं हमारे जनता के बीच में सबसे ज्यादा कॉम्युनल वर्ड का यूज ये करते हैं दैट्स व्हाई दे आर क्रिएटिंग कम्युनलिज्म
Then we end on this note. I have to say many thanks. I'm sorry we're out of time, but we'll talk to you after the show. Moscow Media, thank you so much for being part of Campus Connect. Give yourself a huge round of applause. Atishi Marlena from the Aam Aadmi Party, Chandan Yadav from the Congress Party, Hardeep Puri from the BJP, and Professor Dalpat from NewsX. That's all the time we have on this edition of Campus Connect. It remains to be seen who wins this election. May 16th, remember, do go and vote. This is Campus Connect. My name is Atar Khan. Goodbye. Thank you.